Are you ready to make a real difference? To learn about disability, accessibility, and assistive technology, and to actively contribute to creating a world that's accessible to everyone. This April, Senses Hub and the University of Applied Sciences Vienna brings you an unparalleled opportunity. We have brought together 10 experts from Austria, the UK, and Kenya for a transformative week-long workshop series. It's your chance to be a part of How Can I Be a Part of the Solution to an Accessible World, an engineering approach. Immerse yourself in a hands-on learning experience like no other. Build real products. Test them with real users. Our approach is designed to not just teach, but to inspire, to innovate, and to create. We've dedicated countless hours to crafting a workshop that's innovative, inclusive, and impactful. Now, all we need is you. Join us at Senses Hub in Nairobi and be a part of building an accessible future. Apply now, more details in the description. Senses Hub, the home of innovation and a hub of inclusion.